Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little Dollar Tree, and I got a lot of fall stuff for some decor I'm going to make. I got these little words, they're metal. They say thankful, harvest, and welcome. I got this little almost like a shadow box style frame, except for it's not a shadow box. I couldn't find the type of decor things that I was looking for, but that'll work for a little version. Then I got a couple more of these sandwich boxes. These are in the seasonal section, not your normal Tupperware section. Great for storage because it has the 2 latches on the side, not all 4. I got 3 of these little glass candle holders that can be glued and painted. Next, I got some of this Floral Moss. This is the brown color. They did have a green color as well. Got some of these fall sprig foliage leaves, and then I got these little these vines. They are very thin, the leaves are every 6 inches, so I got 2 of them so I could layer them up on top of each other. That moss is shedding. Next I got some foam brushes in the tool section. I need these. I only needed 1, but it came with all these for $1, so hey, why not? And then for some dry brushing, I wanted this size. They did have a couple craft ones, but they had the plastic bristles. Plastic bristles kind of just end up scraping the paint on. And I got 2 of these. They're like little palettes. They did have the square version that looks just like a palette. These are thinner, so I got 2 of those. Next, I got these little wood craft cubes. I did want the bigger ones. It comes I think in a 2-pack or a single pack, and I could not find them. So I got these little drawers. They're gonna have to do for the project that I want to do and have in mind. So I'm gonna use those with that. I got another one of those, 2 of those drawers. And then I got these little pumpkins. I will insert some footage of the other bigger ones that I saw. These are super cute, and it's dimensional with the different layers. Super cute, right? And then I got some tea lights for my wax melting stamping journey. So that is it from my Dollar Tree. Again, I will insert some photo footage. So here are some more of the larger wood pieces that you can alter and paint. Look how big that witch and cauldron is. The ghost, the house, the pumpkin, the cat, and then they had smaller versions on little wood placards so that they can stand on their own. And then your little painted ornaments and the cat and the pumpkin and the ghost. Here are some boo and eek words. I didn't realize how thick they were when I saw other people hauling them. They're very thick, 10 layers of particle board. Happy Halloween. The wicked one's super cute. And then over here we just had some of the littler ones. I grabbed 2 of these in my haul that you guys saw with the raffia part on the stem. And then at the bottom they had the ones that can hold tea lights or whatnot. Here's some pumpkins for the garlands you can make, maple leaf, and then bigger words that say gather, thankful, family. Here's some Halloween spiders. These are definitely way bigger than they've had in the previous years. I'm sure they're going to get more stuff. They only had glitter pumpkins. I was kind of looking for regular ones. They had these little styrofoam skeleton heads in white. Then they had a couple of ribbons out, or maybe they just haven't unpacked. These ones are newer that I've seen, kind of like candy corn style mesh net stuff. There's the spider web stuff back again. And then they had these cute little broom embellishments, but look how big they are. So I wish they would have made small ones for $1 instead of these big massive ones, but you could easily use those in some of your decor.